Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for unemployment online in Florida. First, ensure you have all your essential documents ready, like your social security number, driver's license, and employment history. Next, navigate to the official Florida Reemployment Assistance website. This is the only way to apply. Once there, you'll need to either create a new account or log in if you've applied before. Make sure your login details are secure. After logging in, you'll begin the application process. It's crucial to accurately enter your complete employment history, including employer names, addresses, and dates of employment. You'll also need to provide your earnings information. Clearly explain the reason for your unemployment, whether it's a layoff, reduction in hours, or other qualifying event. Take your time to review every section carefully before submitting to avoid delays. Once your initial application is submitted and approved, you must certify your eligibility for benefits every week. This involves answering a few questions online to confirm you meet the requirements. Remember to report any earnings you might have from part-time work or other sources, as this can affect your benefit amount. Additionally, you are typically required to actively search for new employment opportunities and document your efforts. To ensure a smooth process, always keep detailed records of all your submissions, confirmations, and any communications with the Reemployment Assistance Program. If they request additional information, respond promptly to avoid any interruptions in your benefits. Staying organized is key. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out Little Tree's Black Ice. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Don't miss out on those resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.